Hey guys, Shane Starnes with the DroidModderX.com. Today I want to show you guys the Ultimate app by P3 Droid. Now I had given you guys a teaser last week where I showed you guys how to change the boot animation to the new Motorola boot animation by P3 Droid. But there's so many more features in this application, so we'll go ahead and run over those features and I'll show you how convenient it is to modify your Razr device or your other Motorola device. And then also it has some functionality on other devices like the HTC One, the Galaxy S4, and it also has some safety nets built into the application so that you're not going to flash anything that doesn't mesh with your device, which is pretty cool with this application. Now it is $2.99 on the market. What you can do is you can go ahead and purchase the application, use it on your device, whatever device you have. You do have 15 minutes to try it out, so if for some reason it's not working on, say, your Galaxy S4, there's a feature that's not working correctly, you can always return the app within that first 15 minutes. If you have a Droid Razr HD, Max HD, Razr M, all of the functionality in this app is going to work perfectly for your device. So it is firstly designed for Motorola, the newer devices from Motorola, and then secondly for every other device. So go ahead and jump into the application itself. You guys can already see some of the modifications that I've made to my device. I have the Florida State lock screen, have the Florida State background, and I have my center clock. I got my center clock up here. I've got my battery modification. All of that can be done. All you need is root. So for this application to work, you just need to be rooted. You don't need an unlocked bootloader, and you don't need to be running a custom ROM. We are running the stock ROM, in fact. So we'll go over and find the Ultimate app by P3 Droid. We'll open it up, and you see this nice Simon-like UI. When I showed you guys the video last week, that's the first thing everybody said. It looks like Simon, and it really does. It's pretty neat design. One thing that I really love about this application is the file finder. So with the file finder, you can select recoveries, and it will give you both the twerp and clockwork mod recovery. You can download those directly from P3 Droid's server. It'll download those to your device, and then you can install the recovery, and it goes ahead and flashes that to your device, which is pretty outstanding. You also have a ROM section, and he keeps those updated as well. And then you have firmwares. This would just be your stock Android firmwares. We'll go back to interface. This is where all the fun is in the interface option of the application. So the first thing you want to do before you do anything is you want to go to the System UI file, go to Options, and choose the backup option. So you want to make a backup of your stock firmware. In case you don't like some of the modifications, you can always go back in and restore the functionality. So you can always go back and restore the stock settings. Okay, so we have battery icons. If we select that, you'll see the large list of battery icons to choose from. If you select any of those, it will download that and then reboot the device and install that on the fly. Go to clock icons. You can choose any style of clock, and then you can have that in your center as well. Multiple colors to choose from. You've got Wi-Fi icons. Plenty of those to choose from, any color for any theme. Navigation bar. You can change your nav buttons like I've done here. Lots to choose from. Signal icons. Any color you can think of. Then if we swipe over to the next page, we've got the power menu. We've got boot logos. All kinds of boot logos to choose from. Currently, I'm running the new Motorola logo. Boot animations. There's lots to choose from here. I'm currently using the new Motorola boot animation that was made by P3 Droid. There is a bloat removal tool here, so you can remove any of the stock Motorola bloat applications. You have Lockscreen Modifications here. There's a couple of teams to choose from. Thankfully, P3 Droid added the Florida State logo. I'm sure if you buy the application and you request a team icon, he'll be able to add that for you We have wallpapers. Of course, you've got all your team wallpapers to choose from: NFL, MLB, NBA, NHL, Big Ten, Pac-12, SEC, ACC, Big East, and that is all of your wallpapers. Lots to choose from there. Going to the next screen, you've got build.prop tweaks that you can make. There's the terminal application right there in the application. You've got logcat, phone information. This will give you all information on your phone, including root status. Sometimes a root checker will tell you that you're rooted when you're not really rooted. This will give you accurate information on root status, as well as all the other information that you need to know about your phone. You have MD5 checker and XML. There's device information, and here is the file finder. If we swipe from left to right, you have some more settings. You have app themes, page transition, so you can kind of change up the application itself, how it looks and feels. Page indicators, advanced info. Then you have a reboot menu, and a wipe Dalvik, and a flashlight right there from the application itself. Pretty much this is like it says, the ultimate application. This has just about everything that you would want in an application of its style. So we'll go ahead and flash an animation. I'm going to go with the new Motorola logo. Select yes. It's going to download the file. You can see the progress there. When it's finished downloading, it will go ahead and install the new boot animation. So give it just a few minutes to do its thing. Okay, so when it's finished, we should be able to reboot our device. And there is the new boot animation. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please be sure to click the like button. Subscribe to this channel for more coverage on applications like this in the future. Find more of me at droidmodderx.com, where I'll have the latest in Android and tech news. Follow me on Twitter at droidmodderx. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.